Roman numerals. Roman numerals, it is the one of the early system of writing numerals. हम जो नंबर्स लिखते हैं उसका यह अर्ली सिस्टम है। इस सिस्टम में हमारे पास टोटल 7 टाइप्स के सिंबल होते हैं जिनका यूज हम न्यूमरल्स को लिखने में करते हैं। एंड द सिंबल्स आर रोमन न्यूमरल्स, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These symbols are represented in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. I is represented to the 1, V is represented to the 5, X is represented to the 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is represented to the numerals in Hindu-Arabic system is 1000. That is the Hindu-Arabic numerals. If we used bar on that symbols, that means the numerals is multiplied by 1000. That is, when you use suppose that V bar, V means 5 and bar means multiplied by 1000 and that is 5000. That is the symbol of 5000. Next, suppose that we write X bar, X means 10, 10 multiplied by 1000 and that is 10,000. So we said that X bar is the representative of 10,000. For writing in Roman numerals, follow some rules. The rule number first is repetition of a symbol means addition. In terms of repetition, we use addition, but in this term, some facts are important. So here some notes. First note is only I, X, C and M can be repeated. सिर्फ हम I, X, C और M को ही रिपीट कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड नोटिस V, L and D are never repeated. V, L और D कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होते हैं. And the third, that is more important, that 7 symbols are maximum 3 times repeated, in which I, X, C and M that can be repeated mostly 3 times. For example, when we write 2 times I, that means 1 plus 1, that is 2. When we write X 3 times, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 30. When write V 3 times, that is not possible. Next rule is smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral means subtraction. जब हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स ऐसे रोमन न्यूमरल्स हो जिसमें बाएं तरफ की वैल्यू राइट वाले की दाएं वाले की तरफ से छोटी हो, तो हम क्या करते हैं, दाएं वाले में से लेफ्ट वाले को माइनस कर देते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. बट लेकिन यहाँ भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हैं जिनको जानना ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि नोट फर्स्ट इज V, L and D are never subtracted. Second is first, that means I can be subtracted from V and X only. I को सिर्फ V means 5, X means 10 में से ही माइनस कर सकते हैं. And the third important fact is x can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from C and L only. And next, C can be subtracted from D and M only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. For example, we write, suppose that IV. Here the left value is lower than the right value. That means V represented to 5, I represented to 1. That means 5 minus 1, 4. Next example is XC. The left value is smaller than the right, and that is represented to the 10, and that is represented to the 100. That means 100 minus 10. That is the 90. The next rule is when a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. जब हमारे पास दाएं तरफ कोई छोटी वैल्यू आ जाती है रोमन न्यूमरल की, तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको बिगर वैल्यू से ऐड कर देते हैं. For example, if we write VII, that means that is the bigger and the right side value is smaller, so that is always added. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 8. When we write another example, XV, the right side value is smaller to the left side, that is 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. The rule number 4 is when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. यदि किसी दो बड़े नंबरों के बीच यदि छोटा नंबर आ जाता है तो उसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we write XIV, here we see that I is the smaller than both digit X and V. X is represented 10, I is 1 and V is 5. Then what we do, that is 10 plus 5 minus 1, and that is the representation of 14. Another example, CXIV. Here C is represented 100, X represented 10, and I between two larger Roman numerals. Then we write 5 minus 1, and that is 110 plus 4, and that is 114. Now we solve exercise 1G. The first question is express each of the following as a Roman numerals. First question is 2. 2 is written as II 2 times. Second is 8. 8 is written as in Roman numerals as 5 plus 3. 5 and 3 times I. That is the representation of 8. Next is 14. 14 is written as 10 plus 4, and that is 10 is represented by x and 4 is represented by IV. Because of IV, 5 minus 1 and 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 36, 36, 30 plus 6, and 30 is represented by triple x, 3 times x, and 6 is VI, that is a 36. 43, when x 4 times x written, any Roman numerals cannot be written at more than 3 times. Then we write 43 as 40 plus 3, and 40, 50 minus 10, so that is XL. XL represented 40 plus 3, that is 3 times I. Next is 54. L is represented 50 and 4 represented IV. 73, 73 represent 70 plus 3, and 70 is represented by L50 and 2 times X, 70, and that is 3. 81, L50 plus 1060 plus 1070 plus 1080 and 1, that is 81. 91, 90 plus 1, and 90 is represented by 100 minus 10 plus 1, and 100 is represented by C, so that is XCI. 99, 90 plus 9, and that is 100 minus 10, 90 plus 9, so 90 is XC and 9 is IX. 105, 100 is 100 plus 5, 100 is represented by L plus 5 is V, so that is LV. 114, 110 plus 4, 110 LX plus 4 IV. Next question is, express each of the following as a Roman numeral. First question is 164. 164 is written as 150 plus 14, and 150 is written as 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 4. The 100 plus 50, that means 100 is represented by C and 50 represented by L, so that is LC, because of lower Roman numeral is written in the left. So LC represented 1, that is not LC, CL, and 10, that is X, and 4 is IV, that is the 164. Next is 195. 195 is written as 100 plus 90 plus 5. 100 is represented by C, 90 is represented by 100 minus 10, that is XC, and 5 is V. 226 is represented by 200 plus 20 plus 6. 200 is represented by 2 times C, and 20 is double X, and 6 is VI. Next is 475. 475 is written as 500 minus 100, that is 400, plus 75, that is 50, plus 20 plus 5. 500 minus 100, that is 500 is represented by D, and 100 is C, so that is CD. 50 is L, 20 is 2 times X, and 5 is V. 596 is 500 plus 90 plus 6. 500 is D, and 90 is 100 minus 10, that is XC, and VI represented for 6. 759 is 700 plus 50 plus 9. 700 is T for 500 and 2 times C for 200, 700, 50 for L and IX for 9. Next question is write each of the following as a Hindu Arabic numeral. ये यहाँ रोमन न्यूमरल में राइट किए हुए हैं, इसको अब हिंदू अरबिक न्यूमरल में लिखना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज XXVII. XX का मतलब 20, V का मतलब 5 और 2 टाइम्स I का मतलब 2. तो दैट इज 20 + 5 + 2 दैट इज 27. हियर XXX दैट इज 30. IV represented 4 that is 30 + 4 is 34. XLV. X is lower number than right side which is L. The XL is 40 and V is represented 5, so that is 40 + 5, 45. Next is LIV. L is represented for 50, I is 1, V is 5, that is lower, that is IV is 4, L is 50, 50 + 4, 54. Next is L50, 2 times X, 50 + 20, 70 + 4, 74. XCI. XC is 100 minus 10 plus 1, that is 91. XC is 90 and that is 6. 90 plus 6, 96. CXI. C is 100, X is 10 and that is 1. 111. CLIV. IV represented 4. C is 100, L is 50. 100 plus 50, 150 plus 4, that is 154. 2 times CC, that means 100 plus 100, 200. 2 times X, that is 20, and IB is 4. 200 plus 20 plus 4, that is 224. 3 times C, that is 300. L is 50 and XV represented 15, that is 365. Next is CD XIB. IB is 4, X is 10, C is 100 and T is 500. That means 500 minus 100, 400. 410 plus 4, that is 414. CD LXIV. CD is representation of 400, L is 50 and that is 14. The answer is 400 plus 50 plus 14, that is 464. Next is DBI. D is representation of 500 and BI for 6. So that is 500 plus 6 is 506. D is 500, 200 C. 2 times C is 200, 5 plus 2, 700. L 50, X 10, BI for 6. So the total sum of total number is 766. Next question is so that each of the following is meaningless, give reason in each case. ये जो नीचे न्यूमरल्स दिए हुए हैं रोमन नंबर्स में राइट किए हुए हैं ये मीनिंगलेस है, ये रॉन्ग है. क्यों, इसका रीजन देना है. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज VC. वी नो दैट दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज VL and D आर नेवर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. VL और D को कभी भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज IL. हियर दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग because of we read some rules earlier कि I can be subtracted from V and X only. I सिर्फ V और X से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जा सकता है, तो L से नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट इज 2 times V, 2 times I. We know that VL and D are never repeated. VL और D कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होते हैं. Next is I 2 times X. This is also wrong because that X must be placed before IX. IX means 9. This is wrong because this X be placed before ix. The chapter is completed.